Are you here for story time? If you're here for story time, clap your hands. If you're here for story time, clap your hands. If you're here for story time, finger plays and games and rhymes. If you're here for story time, clap your hands. I think maybe she should have said pause. Come join us for story time online.
Have you ever heard of woodpeckers who eat waffles? Well, give this book a try and you'll find out all about Benny and his quest to get a waffle. This story is written and illustrated by Steve Breen. The writer is the author and the illustrator is the person who did all the pictures. Woodpecker wants a waffle. One morning, Benny awoke to the best tummy rumbling smell. So he flew off to investigate. W-A-F-F-L-E, he read. What in the world is a waffle? The waffles smelled good. The waffles looked good. The waffles must taste good too, thought Benny. I want waffles, Benny declared. Benny politely pecked on the front door. Tap, tap, tap. But instead of waffles, he got the boot. Bap. Next, he tried to sneak in. But instead of waffles, Benny got swept away. Whap. Benny tried a number of creative disguises. But instead of waffles, he was tossed in the trash. Swoosh. What are you doing? Asked Benny. Or Bunny. I'm wishing for waffles, said Benny. The animal started laughing. That is ridiculous, Bunny said. One by one, the other animals chimed in. Raccoons don't eat ravioli. Moose don't eat muffins. Crows don't eat fries. Lizards don't eat lasagna. Owls don't eat oatmeal. Hawks don't eat hot dogs. Coyotes don't eat cupcakes. Snakes don't eat snow cones. Skunks don't eat scones. Turtles don't eat turnovers. Bears don't eat bagels. Chipmunks don't eat cheeseburgers. And woodpeckers don't eat waffles. Well, why not? Benny asked. Why not? The animals grumbled, chirped, croaked, and whispered. They thought and thought and thought and thought. Because I said so, said Bunny. I really don't have time for the said so nonsense, Benny said impatiently. Benny got right to work devising a plan to get some waffles. First, I will shoot out of a cannon, then hit the ground juggling, then moonwalk, break dance, followed by a stand-up comedy act with a Broadway-style finale featuring fireworks. The animals were speechless, though Benny was sure he heard some snickering. See you all tomorrow. Don't be late. The next morning, the animals gathered in the field by the diner to catch Benny's big show. No one was late. No one except Benny. the animals waited patiently for Benny to arrive, the waitress in the diner noticed something odd. The customers noticed something strange, too. Everyone at the diner stepped outside to look at the animals. That's when Benny made his move. Sweet, said Benny. And that's the end of our story.
That woodpecker really wanted that waffle. Yeah, they do smell pretty good. I bet you know what I like mine made with? Yep, acorn flour. It's the best. Do you like waffles? I wonder if maybe we could make some at home soon. Kathleen, can we make waffles soon? Yeah, we probably could make some waffles, Corny. That would be great. I can't wait. Maybe we could make them over the fire.
Oh, well, I don't know about that, but we'll see what we can do.
Okay, all right. I wonder what kind of food you would do the things that woodpecker does for. If you want to tell me about it, I'd love to hear it. Okay,